Welcome to Space Explorers Academy. In this tutorial we're going to look at actually transferring the program or sketch that you require onto your SealTag light game system. To begin with, we've plugged in our CP2102 converter to RJ45. That's the device that has the USB connector on one end and what looks like an ordinary Ethernet socket on the other. From there, plug in your Ethernet cable into the back of your SealTag unit. Install any drivers if it asks you to do so, and you're ready to go. Hopefully you will have already downloaded the software you want to install from www.spaceexplorers.co.uk. In this demonstration, I've unzipped it to the Arduino Sketches folder. In Windows, in this case, it's in My Documents, Arduino. This contains all of the files that you have in your sketchbook. It allows you to easily access them from your Arduino IDE. We can see there are quite a lot here as I produce different revisions of the software. Once you've done that, we can now have a look inside the Arduino IDE. I think we'll go for this one. And if we go up to File, we have a number of options available to us. If you've copied the file correctly into the Arduino sketchbook folder, you should find it in this list here. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to pick this up randomly, and it'll open up a new window for us. Let's maximize that so it's easier to see. If we go to Tools, we've got two things that we need to select to upload our sketch correctly. The first thing is our serial port. When you plugged in your CP2102 interface, the programming unit, a new icon should have turned up off serial port, or a new selection. In my case, I've plugged it in and the computer recognizes it as COM4. Your computer may recognize it differently. If you're unsure which to upload to, have a look and see what COM ports are available, unplug it, and then see which one disappears. That way you can find out which COM port your CP2102 is plugged into. Simple. I've only got one option here, so it's nice and easy. The next thing I need to select is the board I want to upload to. I've got all different kinds of Arduino boards that I can upload to, and in the case of the all-in-one tagger unit, that's the one that's designed to fit inside a 40mm PVC or ABS pipe. We tend to use Arduino Duo Milanove with an ATmega 328 chip. If you've built it yourself, you may find that you're using an ATmega 328P chip. In order to check, all you need to do is read the number off the top of the Amtel processor. That's the chip inside. If you've got a Citizen unit, that's where the circuitry is mounted in a backpack or on a harness, you may find that you're using an Arduino Nano with ATmega 328, or even an Arduino Mini or Micro with ATmega 328 also. Select the right one for your SealTag unit. Once you've done that, you're ready to upload. Here is our sketch. and we're ready to go to our top corner. Just to refresh your memories from the day workshop, verify will check your code for any errors, and upload will first compile the code so that it can be sent to the microchip, and then upload it. There are a number of errors that can occur when uploading software, and these errors will appear at the bottom of the screen. One of the most common is an error that says not in sync. And not in sync means that the Arduino IDE can't talk to the chip itself. First thing to check is the chip is securely seated in your board. This is one of the most common problems. The second is check for any dry solder joints or short circuits between tracks on your project board. Once you've eliminated those, check your cables as well. Make sure they're fully plugged in. Another error that can crop up quite regularly, especially for the first time that you're uploading software, it will say something like IR receive is not recognized, does not name a class, and this simply means that you've not installed the library files correctly. For information on installing the library files, please go to the first tutorial on setting up the Arduino IDE for the SealTag Light Game system. Looks like we're all done now. At the bottom of the screen it says done uploading. It's now time to play some games. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've learnt something new.